So what is important? Getting this formula is important. And P of E2, last card is not a diamond, means the card should be last from the remaining cards. So now substitute all the values and simplify, further you will get the answer. Probability A reports head and head occurs. One set is subset of other set, then intersection of two sets is subset. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of probability. So now in exercise 13.3, they told a manufacturer has three machine operators A, B and C. The first machine operator A produces 1% defective items, whereas the other two B and C produces 5% and 7% defective respectively. A is on job for 50%, B is on job for 30% and C is on job for 20%. A defective item is produced. What is the probability that it is produced by A? Now coming to this, event E1, E2, E3. E1, E2 and E3. E1 is produced by A, means items produced by A. E2 is items produced by machine B. E3 items produced by machine C. Then common event we will assume as defective item. Common is what? Defective. Now what is given will symbolize. So P of E1 means items produced by machine 1. They told the operators A is producing 50%. 50% means 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means what? 0, 0 cancels, 1 by 2. Then P of E2. P of E2 means probability of machine 2. So machine 2 is for 30%. 30% means what? 30 by 100. So 30 by 100 means 0, 0 cancels, it will be 3 by 10. P of E3. P of E3 means what? Probability of third. It means items produced by machine C is 20%. 20% means what? 20 by 100, that is 1 by 5. Now P of E by E1 means probability of defective item produced by machine 1 or machine A. Machine A produces 1%, they told. That will be 1 by 100. And P of E by E2. E by E2 means defective items produced by second machine. Second machine produces how much? Of the 1%, and machine operator other two B and C produces 5 and 7. So 5%. The other one produces 7%. P of E by E3 is 7%. 7 by 100. So dear students, here everywhere we have 100. We'll do one thing. So I'll not cancel the terms. So now whatever we have done here is correct. But in spite of that, let us not cancel this. So 5%. So 50%. Let it be as it is. So let us consider them in terms of given value, so that calculations becomes easy. 50%, this is 30%, this is 20%, let it be. Now what is the question? What is the probability that it was produced by A? They took a defective item. So it is produced by A, means they took a defective item. Event occurred is defective occurred, and from machine 1 means E1. They want P of E1 by E. Use Bayes theorem. According to Bayes theorem, P of E1 by E can be written as P of E1 into P of E by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of E by E1 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2 plus P of E3 into P of E by E3. Now substitute the values. When you substitute the values, that is 50 by 100 into E by E1 is 1 by 100 divided by same 50 by 100 into 1 by 100 plus P of E2. What is P of E2? 3 by 100. P of E by E2. E by E2 is 5 by 100. Then 7 by E3. E3 is 20 by 100 into 7 by 100. So in denominator you can take 1 by 100 common and you can cancel all the hundreds. So this 100, Means if you take 100 common, it will get cancelled. So numerator is left out by 50 by 1 more 100, that will become 2. Denominator 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 2, and denominator 50 by 1, so this is also 1 by 2, plus here 1 0 1 0 I can cancel, 5 ones are 5 twos are I can do, so 3 by 2, plus 0 0 I can cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are 7 by 5. Now further you simplify this, 1 by 2, denominator LCM is 10, and this will be 5, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 5s are 5 3s are 15, yes, 7, 2s are 14. Simplify this, so it will become 1 by 2 into 10 divided by 20, 20 plus 14, 34, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 by 34. Further you can simplify. So what is important? Getting this formula is important. Similarly, a pack of cards, 52 cards, a card is lost. From the remaining cards, 2 cards are drawn. It is found both are diamonds. Find the probability that the last card being a diamond. So now 3 events. So last card is diamond, and second event E2, last card is not a diamond, not a diamond. E, find the probability that last card being diamond. So we are drawing 2 cards, drawing 2 cards from remaining cards, 2 cards from remaining. This is common event. So now use Bayes theorem. Whatever is given, you write it. P of E1 means probability of last card is diamond. Last card is diamond means what? So out of 13 diamonds, 1 card is lost. What is the probability of last card is diamond? 13 out of 52. And P of E2, last card is not a diamond means the card should be lost from the remaining cards. So remaining means what? 52 minus 13 divided by 52. That is 39 by 52. And P of E by E1, P of E by E1 means what? 2 cards are drawn from the remaining cards provided the last card is diamond. So if last card is diamond, remaining I have 12 diamonds, in that I should pick 2 out of 51 C2. Then P of E by E2 means probability of last card is diamond provided it is not from means provided the last card is not diamond, your probability of drawing 2 cards where last card is not a diamond. This is again you have to draw from remaining cards. Remaining I'll have 39 cards. So drawing 2 cards, 39 C2 out of 52 C2. Now use the Bayes theorem and formulate. They want P of E1 by E. The question is P of E1 by E. What is P of E1 by E? P of E1 into P of E by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of E by E1 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2. So now substitute all the values and simplify. Further you will get the answer. Now probability that A speaks truth is 4 by 5. A coin is tossed. A reports head appeared. The probability that actually it was head. So divide them into events. Event E, A speaks truth. Event E1 we say. Event E2, A speaks false or does not speak truth. Event E, head appeared, head occurs. Common event. What is P of E1? P of E1 they gave. What is P of E1? 4 by 5. What is P of E2? 1 minus 4 by 5. Means not speaking truth. 1 minus 4 by 5. P of E dash we can say. So that will be 3, 5 ones are 5 minus 4 by 5. That will be 1 by 5. Then they want a coin is tossed, reports head. A reports head. We say A reports head. We will say A reports head. Reports head instead of head occurred. Now probability of E by E1. What is meant by E1? E by E1, or we say okay, let it be, it's easy. Probability head occurs only, we'll assume head occurs. So how to read this now? P of E1 means probability of head occurs and A speaks truth. Head occurs and he speaks truth. What is the probability of head occurs and he speaks truth? Here really head is occurred and he is also telling truth. That is 4 by 5. Or we can define in spite of that. So I will define the events like this. Even head occurs, head appears, and E2 tail appears. Means head does not appear. That's it. Okay. Now E is A reports head. A reports head. Fine. So now coming to the formats. So now what is P of E1? P of E1 means what? Probability of head appears. So when you toss a coin, 1 by 2. P of E2, probability of tail appears. That is also 1 by 2. What is meant by P of E by E1? Means probability A reports head and head occurs. E1 is what? Head occurs. So it is truth. Probability of truth we'll say 4 by 5. What is meant by P of E by E2? Means A reports head but it tail occurred. Means probability of false. That is 1 minus 4 by 5. If you take LCM, 5 minus 4, 1 by 5. And they want you to find, he told the probability of actually there was head and he reported. Means what? P of E1 by E. Means probability of getting head and he reports head. This event can be written as P of E1 into E by E1 divided by P of E1 into P of E by E1 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2. So P of E1 is half. P of E by E1 means what? Head appears, he reports head and head appears, that is 4 by 5. Denominator first term is same, 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 plus next 1 by 2 into E by E2, that is 1 by 5. Simplify this. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 2 by 5. Denominator first term also 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 by 5. Further 1 by 10. So take LCM, numerator is 2 by 5, denominator if I take LCM, into, you take it up, LCM for 5 and 10 is 10, and this will become 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 ones are 5 twos are, 2 to the 4 by 5. So now 4 by 5 is the answer. So we are using Bayes theorem. So in my last session also I taught you Bayes theorem. First recollect Bayes theorem and produce a formula. So now A and B are two events such that A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Please understand, if A is subset of B, then A intersection B is A only. That is important. Now, which of the following? P of A by B is P of B by P of A. P of A by B is less than P of A. P of A by B is greater than or equal to P of A. None of this. See, first I'll write P of A by B. What is P of A by B? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. And they told that they are A is subset. Subset means what? P of A intersection B is same as P of A. It will become P of A by P of B. So first option is right. If one set is subset of other set, then intersection of two sets is subset. If A is subset of B, A intersection B will be subset. That is the basic of set theory. Like that, number of set is same means probability will be same. That's it. I hope all of you understood. Please sit and revise. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.